The High-Speed Subsystem, or HSSub, is a software-defined family of PIXI Express instrumentation that can be integrated and scaled to support digital test applications throughout the product lifecycle. HSSub instruments can be integrated together into a PIXI-E foundation for autonomous operations or be added into existing ATE systems. The HSSub family of hardware and software provides a wide range of digital test capabilities, standard or unique, that can support many commercial and defense test applications, such as AESA radars, communication networks, satellites, electronic warfare, missile guidance, surveillance, and displays. HSSub instruments are configured via software, allowing them to easily adapt to test requirement changes, reducing the need to add instruments. The modular and open architecture enables equipment reuse, easy addition and expansion of test capabilities, and cost-effective long-term deployment. HSSub products are offered in several integrated forms, including ruggedized ancillary foundations that add to existing ATE systems, the remote test head that extends the PIXI Express instruments closer to the UUT, or rack mount foundations that integrate into existing ATE systems. An HSSub app is software that controls the HSSub instruments, reconfigures test functionality, and provides programming API for test program development. An HSSub app programs an HSSub instrument to your specific test program requirements. Many different HSSub apps can run on a single HSSub reconfigurable instrument. The HSSub architecture has three main components. HSSub PIXI Express reconfigurable instruments are the hardware that provide computing and I/O processing capability to address complex and unique bus protocols. HSSub app software is used to program HSSub instruments to support a variety of test requirements and configurations. HSSub Triflex software provides the drivers necessary to integrate and manage the HSSub hardware while coordinating communication to the host test system. The HSSub architecture offers the following advantages. TPS execution time can be reduced because HSSub instruments contain dedicated test-defined FPGAs that can be reconfigured at runtime for different TPS test functions. It enables programming the same instrument for many test applications. For example, you can run multiple upper-level bus types of fiber channel, like FC-RDMA, FC-AV, or ARINC 818. One reconfigurable HSSub instrument can run many apps, replacing multiple point solution instruments. Low latency deterministic I/O interactions, high speed and high bandwidth signals, optical conversion, and real-time computing capabilities can be abstracted into the ATE for better long-term supportability. And HSSub utilizes common industry-standard software for development, such as Xilinx Vivado and ISE for FPGA logic, Wind River Workbench for real-time applications, Visual Studio or Lab Windows CVI for app interface development. Using a common set of software simplifies TPS development. Getting started with HSSub for your test application is easy. Just collect your digital interface test requirements, match them to an existing HSSub instrument, and then select from the available HSSub apps. In the case where an HSSub app does not meet your requirements, Teradyne or you, the customer, could create a new one. HSSub instrument types include reconfigurable, standard buses, and support modules. All share common hardware design principles such as high bandwidth data paths, large and fast memories, configurability, and local real-time processing where appropriate. Reconfigurable I/O expansion instruments address a wide range of requirements from legacy to the latest multi-gigabit buses with powerful test-defined FPGAs and tightly integrated memory for low-level bus support. They address these evolving bus test speeds, data volume, protocol, and processing complexity, as well as low-latency UUT interaction. When real-time computing is required, instruments can be associated in software with any available HSSub real-time processor. HSSub standard bus instruments support common, highly standardized serial buses with the greatest performance and density available in the 3U PIXI Express form factor, by using the latest, highly integrated chipsets to meet specific bus requirements. HSSub support modules employ complementary capabilities to the HSSub reconfigurable instruments, flexible I/O instruments, and standard bus instruments. These capabilities include PXE Express real-time processing, optical conversion, streaming data storage, and remote operation of PXE Express instrumentation from parent ATE. Use high-speed subsystem to test serial and parallel buses, video, streaming data, real-time processing, Ethernet, mill firewire, and much more. These tables show the many available HSSub apps for TPS applications. Unique and emerging high-speed applications can run concurrently with generic and low-speed applications that are always needed. For example, serial front panel data port and 25 gig Ethernet streaming data, along with the RS buses, I2C, SPI, and small parallel digital. Every instrument includes a Fixture Verify HSSub app for the self-test and front panel I/O wiring verification. And new HSSub apps are always under development as the product line continues to expand. HSSub PXE Express instruments are used by HSSub apps to support many digital test applications. This enables equipment reuse, easy addition and expansion of test capabilities, and cost-effective long-term deployment. Therefore, HSSub is the ideal test solution to use throughout the whole product lifecycle, from design verification to system integration and qualification, to production, to operation and sustainment.